when we think about commerce, we naturally think about the ability to transact and agentic payments, something that can execute a transaction on behalf of the consumer without having the consumer or the human involved. That's not reality yet. But, we rely on data at Forrester. So we asked consumers, we said, what do you believe about the future of agentic commerce? And then 43% of US consumers believe in a world where AI agents will essentially market to brands, and there will be this brand to consumer agent interaction happening. Mm-hmm. But when you ask them, how much do you trust the agents to act on your behalf? The number goes down to an appalling 24%. So you can see US consumers, and in the UK, the numbers are about the same. It's about 35%, believe that agents are going to talk to agents and brands will have to market to agents, right? Mm-hmm. But when it comes to their own sense of whether you would engage in an agentic commerce transaction, we're not there yet. I think, between some of the big answer engines that are moving, they're trying to get consumer eyeballs as much as possible. We need to create the energy and momentum in market. Agentic commerce is the vehicle for that. But most of the businesses that I'm talking to be clear, are not necessarily venturing all the way out to agentic commerce. They're still thinking about their owned and unowned or distributed properties, if that makes sense.